Large family home in a quiet neighborhood, close to Shades Mills Conservation Area, parks, schools, and the 401. This is 132 Nutcracker Street in Cambridge. This 4-bedroom home is bright and beautiful. The main level features this refurbished open staircase with wrought iron railing and hardwood stairs. The large eating kitchen leads to plenty of living and dining space, perfect for entertaining. Warm up by the wood-burning fireplace as you look out to the large rear yard. Upstairs, the primary bedroom is oversized with 3 bay windows, 2 closets, and a private ensuite. The living space extends to this fully finished lower level with new Berber carpet. The private yard is fenced, and the neighborhood offers the safety and walkability a family is looking for. To see this home in person, contact Kathy Long or Lou Ann Hansey.